Hello viewers, and welcome to Smart Racer channel.
Imagine this. You're driving your smart Roadster and suddenly the engine shuts off in the middle of the road. Warning lights appear on the dashboard and you have no idea what just happened. If you're lucky, you might be able to restart the engine and drive another 5, maybe even 50 kilometers. But the problem could come back at any time. So how do you make sure this doesn't happen again? The issue usually comes down to one small but crucial part, the crankshaft position sensor. This sensor plays a vital role in your engine's operation. It monitors the exact position and rotation speed of the crankshaft and sends that information to the ECU, the engine control unit. The ECU then uses this data to determine the precise moment to ignite the fuel-air mixture in the engine. When this sensor starts to fail, you might notice hard starting, engine jerking, or in some cases, the engine completely shutting down while driving. In the Smart Roadster, the sensor is known to fail due to age, moisture, rapid temperature changes, or simply because of its location. It's placed near the engine where it's exposed to a lot of heat. The good news? The sensor is relatively inexpensive. The tricky part is knowing where to find it and how to replace it. In the rest of this video, I'll show you step by step how to replace the crankshaft position sensor quickly, easily, and without stress.
Hi guys, welcome in a new video. So for today we will leave the blue Roadster little bit to rest. We have an issue with another Roadster. The problem is that engine is cutting off, and I believe the problem could be crankshaft position sensor. As you can see, I bought the new one from Bosch. This is a part number, and this is common failure on smart cars. We will see how hard it is to take it off. I changed one like 5 years ago. Same common issues. You are driving and just suddenly car stops completely. You lose power, steering, everything except brakes. Before I change this sensor, I want to plug in diagnostic tool and check if we have any fault codes recorded. It should be crankshaft position sensor fault code. So I will plug it now and check. Sometimes it can be issue and you won't see any fault codes or a check engine. What happens when it fails? You are driving car, it doesn't matter if it's warm or cold, it just suddenly stop. You have full dashboard like it's the Christmas tree, and you have one line on gearbox, and you need to restart the engine. Sometimes it works, sometimes doesn't. So let me remove this cover. And on this one we have the cover, OBD, and let's plug OBD. So OBD started, we will put the key in position 1 and I will go for check. There is no fault codes, but we will check now the history. It's all scanned. Let's check now all units. So I found this fault code, no engine speed signal. This is in fact crankshaft position sensor, Now I know that it will come back for sure, and it's better to change it now. One thing that I forgot to mention about this diagnostic tool is that you can check your battery also. So you can follow up on the graph like this. Okay, now car is just standby, it's not running, but this is battery status. And these are the things that you can do also on Smart Roadster. Of course, we don't have DPF, and for some stuff like injector it's not available, but to calibrate, for example, steering wheel, you can do it by this diagnostic tool. Now, since I already made a video about changing this sensor, I won't go too much into details, like which tools to use or the torque specs. If you would like to see that kind of in-depth video, you can find it in the membership section. Now let's continue to see which parts we need to remove in order to take out the crankshaft position sensor. Flat screw. So here we have throttle body that we need to remove. We have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3 and 4 down. We will remove throttle body. Okay, clip. So everything is put back together. New position sensor is installed. Now we will reset the throttle body and we will check if everything is okay. Okay guys, so after this replacement of crankshaft position sensor and removing throttle body, we should do also throttle body reset. So we will do it in a way We sit in the car, we put key in position 1. Then we press the gas pedal all the way down, including kick down. Keep it for 10 seconds. Okay. We then put the key in position 0. We can now release the pedal. And we put key in position 1. You could hear the click right behind. This means that throttle body is now synchronized with the gas pedal. Engine is running so far, all good. We'll keep it until it's fully warm. I want to see if everything is okay. If we're gonna have any shutdown. Same on the back. Everything seems fine. We will keep running for a few moments.